Alright everybody, welcome back to the channel. So the last video I did, it was the silver luggage tag unboxing. If you want to check that video out, you can click up here. You guys really liked that video. So I figured I hit gold medallion status with Delta late December of 2022, but I'm finally just getting this in the mail about a month ago. I had some issues. I was moving from cross country, so I think they may have got lost, so I had to reorder them. That's why it took so long for me to get them again. But here they are. As you can see, it says your gold medallion bag tags have arrived, and on the back of it, it says experience the medallion difference. Experience the medallion difference. So without further ado, let's get into this. Let's go ahead and open it up. Like I've said before, any status you reach, silver, gold, platinum, diamond, 360, whatever you reach, it is something that should be, applauded, in my opinion, because you were committed enough to stay with that one airline and fly. Yeah, that's why I'm doing this. And a lot of you guys want to know what it looks like in 2023. Here's what it looks like being opened. All right, we'll put this to the side. So the first thing that you'll see is it says all your travels have led to this. So the same as the silver, it's just in gold at this point. I'm actually excited though now, because now I actually have these little plastic things that I can put on here, like the little luggage tag loops. I didn't get these with the silver one. I don't know if maybe it was because it was during 2020, 2021 and things were short. I finally got these, so I can actually use these. So I'm excited about that. Let's go ahead and open this up. All right, so here we are. I got 2 gold medallion luggage tags. Now these are plastic for anyone asking, so it's not metal or titanium or anything like that. It's plastic, but it's okay. It doesn't need to be metal or anything like that. These are nice. These will actually stand out. If you guys haven't noticed, gold is one of my favorite colors. That's why my logo on my brand is black and gold. I love gold, so wearing these, it would be pretty nice. On here it just says, congratulations, we're elated to welcome you to an elite group of travelers known as Gold Medallion members, and are so excited to share this major milestone with you. When it comes to travel, you really shine, and a whole bunch of stuff that you guys can read since you're watching this video. And here's some of the benefits you get with being a Delta Gold member. You get unlimited complimentary upgrades. You get priority boarding, waive baggage, and same-day confirmed changes. Now, what I will say about gold as opposed to silver, you see a big difference from silver to gold. With silver, you don't get a free check bag. You get access to Sky Priority. Now, Sky Priority is a line you get to get into whether you're checking a bag. And for me in Atlanta, I live in Atlanta now, the regular line when you're trying to check your bag in is long. So you got the Sky Priority line, you can check your bag in. It probably takes no more than maybe 5 minutes. It's a huge saver. So when you go from silver to gold, you see a big difference. A dedicated medallion phone line. Each level has its own phone line. The higher you get up in the level, probably the better, and faster service you get. Not better, but the faster service, because I never had any issues with Delta as far as their service is concerned, but you get faster service. So as I go up the Delta medallion chain, I'll probably get more faster service, but silver and gold were fine. Didn't really see big difference as far as customer service and wait times as of yet. It's been pretty equal. The next thing you have is it just says medallion status on vacation. So this is Delta Vacation. So Delta Vacations, they're definitely gonna sell you on the Delta Vacations, which I still have yet to take an offer on it yet. But I wanted to to share with you guys how I got Delta Gold status. So I have the American Express Delta Platinum card. So what I do is I'll spend $25,000 in 1 calendar year on that card. And what that does is it gives you 10,000 medallion qualification miles. And you also don't have to fly, I think it's 30 segments or 60 segments that year. You waive the segments because you spent $25,000. You get 10,000 medallion qualification miles. And you only have to, at that point, this is for silver obviously, at that point get 15,000 more to hit silver. And then from there you just have to kind of just fly at that point, and you can only get MQMs really from flying in the air. So that's how it helps me. It gives me that little boost, and I have no issues with Delta. Again, like I said, I am in Atlanta now, but even when I was based in Philly, Delta Airlines was the airline I was trying to fly. I've had a lot of trouble with those other American airlines that I told you before, but Delta, I have no issues really. Wi-Fi always works. They just introduced Delta Sync, where you'll get the free Wi-Fi as long as you have a Delta Sky Miles account, which is free when you're on the air. It's amazing, and it's free fast Wi-Fi for everyone on board. I think it's crazy in 2023 you charge for Wi-Fi, and It's just ridiculous. And they'll start doing things like, you know, if you have drinks that you like, they'll ask you on the screen, do you like those? It's just the whole Delta, what they call it, the Delta difference. 100% like it. No, I'm not affiliated with Delta Airlines in any way. This is not a sponsorship video. I'm just big on aviation. As you guys can see, one of the Delta planes is big on aviation, and I love what Delta does. As far as I'm concerned, Delta is the best airline here in the US. So what do you guys think about the Gold Medallion luggage tags? Do you like them? Are they cool? Will you be wearing them? I'm definitely going to probably wear this on my luggage. Some people are against it, some people like it. I don't really care. I like it. I think it's cool. And like I said, I think it should be something that is applauded, and you should definitely pat yourself in the back if you have this status or any status. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick video. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, and leave your comments down below on which status you are. Talk to you soon.